Welcome to our channel. As nutrition experts, we are constantly thrilled and inspired by how certain natural products can profoundly impact health and resolve age-old problems. Among these, olive oil stands out as a marvel. This oil is a cornucopia of health benefits. Join me on this journey as we uncover all that this golden elixir has to offer. By the end of this exploration, you'll be as amazed as we are by its powerful effects. I'll also share the optimal amount to use and how I prefer to incorporate it into my nightly routine. Rest assured, this video has been meticulously prepared over many hours to ensure accuracy and offers unique insights not found in any other video discussing the benefits of olive oil. We'll also examine certain health conditions that may warrant caution or avoidance of olive oil. Let's dive in. Benefit number 1, enhances digestion. Taking just a teaspoon of olive oil before bed can work wonders for your digestive system. Olive oil is a natural aid that helps stimulate the digestive tract, making it easier for food to move smoothly through the colon. This not only helps prevent constipation, but also ensures that nutrients are absorbed more efficiently. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil help maintain the health of the mucous membranes lining the stomach and intestines, thus reducing the risk of ulcers and other gastrointestinal issues. By incorporating this simple step into your nightly routine, you can wake up feeling lighter and with a more settled stomach, ready to start your day right. Benefit number 2, lowers blood pressure. Incorporating a teaspoon of olive oil into your nightly routine could play a significant role in managing and lowering blood pressure. This benefit is primarily attributed to the rich content of oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat that has been extensively studied for its cardiovascular benefits. Oleic acid helps to reduce the constriction of blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely, which in turn can decrease pressure exerted on artery walls. Additionally, olive oil is abundant in polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that enhance this effect by improving arterial health and reducing inflammation. These compounds also aid in balancing the levels of nitric oxide, a molecule essential for blood vessel dilation. Regular consumption of olive oil, therefore, not only supports overall cardiovascular health, but specifically aids in maintaining optimal blood pressure levels. This simple nightly addition to your diet could be a natural and effective strategy for hypertension, thereby enhancing your long-term heart health and reducing your risk of heart-related diseases. Benefit number 3, improves pancreatic health. Olive oil's benefits extend deeply into enhancing pancreatic health. This golden elixir helps regulate the production of pancreatic enzymes, which play a crucial role in breaking down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. By ensuring these enzymes work optimally, olive oil not only aids in digestion but also helps maintain the pancreas in good health, preventing overexertion. Regular intake of a small amount of olive oil can also help reduce inflammation in the pancreas, which is vital for preventing conditions like pancreatitis. With its rich antioxidant content, olive oil provides a protective effect, safeguarding pancreatic cells and potentially reducing the risk of pancreatic cancer. Benefit number 4, antibacterial properties. A nightly teaspoon of olive oil can serve as a natural antibacterial agent in your health regimen. Olive oil contains numerous phenolic compounds, such as oleuropein and hydroxytyrosol, which have been scientifically proven to possess potent antibacterial properties. These compounds are effective against a wide range of bacteria, particularly those that cause infections in the stomach and the respiratory system. Oleuropein, for instance, disrupts the growth and replication of bacteria by damaging their cellular membranes, a mechanism that helps prevent infections from taking hold or worsening. Additionally, the antimicrobial action of these phenols extends to combating pathogens in the gut, thereby supporting a healthy microbiome. Regular inclusion of olive oil in your diet not only enhances your body's natural defense mechanisms, but also contributes to maintaining an environment less conducive to bacterial infections. This simple addition to your nightly routine could significantly bolster your immune system, keeping bacterial threats at bay and ensuring overall well-being. Benefit number 5, good for gut health. Incorporating a teaspoon of olive oil into your nightly routine can significantly enhance your gut health. Olive oil is rich in polyphenols, which are natural compounds that nourish the beneficial bacteria residing in your gastrointestinal tract. This not only helps maintain a balanced gut flora, but also strengthens the intestinal barrier, protecting against inflammation and gastrointestinal diseases. The anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil can further soothe the gut, reducing irritation and promoting a healthy digestive environment. Regular consumption of olive oil can thus play a pivotal role in maintaining overall digestive wellness and preventing common digestive disorders. Benefit number 6 reduces gallstone formation. Taking a teaspoon of olive oil before bed may also help in reducing the formation of gallstones. Olive oil promotes the flow of bile from the liver and gallbladder, which is crucial for the digestion of fats. By ensuring regular bile flow, olive oil helps prevent the concentration of bile that can lead to gallstone formation. Additionally, the oleic acid in olive oil has been found to reduce cholesterol levels within the bile, further decreasing the risk of cholesterol stone formation. Regular intake of this simple yet effective natural remedy can therefore aid in maintaining a healthy gallbladder, making it a valuable addition to your nightly routine. Benefit number 7 supports bone health. A nightly teaspoon of olive oil could be a key to stronger bones. Olive oil is enriched with polyphenols, which have been demonstrated to enhance bone density by stimulating the growth and development of bone cells. These antioxidant compounds effectively shield bone tissue from oxidative stress, which can weaken bones and heighten the risk of osteoporosis. Furthermore, the monounsaturated fats in olive oil improve the body's ability to absorb calcium, an essential mineral for bone health. Integrating olive oil into your evening routine is not just beneficial, it's a proactive step towards fortifying your skeletal system and mitigating the effects of aging on your bones. Benefit number 8 boosts brain health. Incorporating a teaspoon of olive oil into your nightly regimen can also offer significant benefits for brain health. Olive oil is lauded for its high levels of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which are essential for maintaining the integrity of brain cell membranes. These fats play a crucial role in enhancing cognitive function, memory, and learning. Moreover, the potent antioxidants found in olive oil, such as vitamin E and polyphenols, provide neuroprotective effects. They help mitigate the effects of oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, factors that are linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. By regularly consuming olive oil, you're not only nurturing your body but also fortifying your mind, promoting overall mental acuity and longevity. Benefit number 9 enhances metabolism. Adding a teaspoon of olive oil to your nightly regimen could significantly revitalize your metabolic rate. Olive oil contains monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which are known for their role in boosting metabolism. This means your body can convert food into energy more efficiently, facilitating better management of weight and maintaining higher energy levels. Moreover, these healthy fats enhance insulin sensitivity, ensuring that glucose is metabolized properly, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels. By incorporating olive oil into your evening routine, you're taking a simple step towards a healthier metabolism, paving the way for a more balanced and vibrant daily life. Recommended olive oil dosage before bed. Including olive oil in your nighttime routine is not only beneficial, but also simple. The optimal amount recommended is just 1 teaspoon before bed. This quantity is sufficient to harness the health benefits without overwhelming your digestive system while you sleep. Whether you choose to take it straight or drizzle it over a small snack, such as a slice of whole grain bread, incorporating this amount of olive oil can significantly enhance your health and contribute to a restful night's sleep. Caution for certain groups. Let's shift our focus to specific groups of individuals who might need to exercise caution or even avoid olive oil altogether. Olive oil is heralded for its numerous health benefits, but it may not be suitable for everyone. Firstly, individuals with gallbladder disease might experience discomfort due to olive oil's ability to stimulate bile production, which can exacerbate gallstone conditions. Secondly, people with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, need to be cautious as the high-fat content in olive oil can trigger symptoms like diarrhea or constipation. Thirdly, those with diarrhea should also avoid olive oil as its laxative properties might worsen their condition. Furthermore, people suffering from severe acid reflux or GERD might find that olive oil aggravates their symptoms due to its fat content, which can relax the lower esophageal sphincter, leading to an increase in acid reflux. Additionally, patients taking warfarin or other anticoagulants should use olive oil cautiously. Its blood-thinning properties may interfere with their medication, increasing the risk of bleeding. Individuals at high risk of heart disease should consult their healthcare provider to tailor their fat intake appropriately, despite olive oil's general benefits for heart health. These groups should consult healthcare professionals to fully understand how olive oil could impact their specific health conditions or dietary needs, ensuring they make informed choices about including it in their diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time!